Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to showcase the 1 kilogram silver bar. I have two for you today to have a look at. This one I purchased brand new straight from the mint, so it's still sealed in its original plastic wrap. This one I purchased pre-owned, so I saved the 20% VAT. However, it's not sealed or anything like that. They both carry their own serial numbers, individual serial numbers, and they both weigh 32.151 troy ounces of silver. So really nice size, really nice bit of weight to them. This one's got its COA attached to it on the back. This one has a COA, but it's separate. It's a bit of cardboard that I've stored somewhere else. Now, personally, I don't have any larger silver bars or coins that weigh more than 1 kilogram in my stack. And the reason for that is if silver continues to rise like it has done over the last sort of 100 years or so, I don't want to be stuck with a bar that's bigger than this and struggling to find a buyer because they're so expensive. So for me personally, it's my own rule that I put in. I won't buy anything that's bigger than 1 kilogram. I think this is a very nice size. I think 32 ounces of silver in one item is more than enough silver to have locked up in one piece. You haven't got the option of selling it in parts. You do have to find a buyer for the whole thing in one go. So that's why the 1 kilogram bar for me personally is the largest bar I'm willing to buy. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you have larger bars in your stack than this, and the reasons why? Like I said, this one's got its plastic wrap around it, so it's really nicely protected. And the thing with buying brand new, although you paid a 20% VAT, you know it's the real deal. You know it's silver, straight from the mint, and you can lock it away, and you know that in 20 to 30 years time, or whenever you come to sell, that you're not going to be in a situation where you find out you've got a silver plated bar or it's not real silver. However, with the pre-owned ones, you save the VAT, but you have to do additional checks. You have to get it checked out because you don't want to buy something like this, lock it away, and in 20 to 30 years time find out that it's silver plated or it's not the real deal. So that's the risk you take when you buy pre-owned. Let me know again your thoughts in the comment section with buying new versus pre-owned. Do you only buy pre-owned because you don't want to pay the 20% VAT, or do you prefer to buy brand new so you know that it's legit and it's wrapped and it's got all the certificates with it and all the rest of it? So very quick video there just to showcase these two bars. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.